Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Power Automate to assign access to a SharePoint item for a SharePoint group. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe. So guys, you need to use the action send HTTP request to SharePoint. This comes under SharePoint, okay? And here in this video I have blackened out certain portions to protect privacy. So first you need to put the site address, and this is going to be the post method, and this is what you are gonna do. Like you see here documents written, so basically this is the title of the list, library, whatever. You need to put item ID and row, and then add role assignment principal ID. So principal ID is actually the membership group ID. So if you go to site settings and groups and you click on the particular group that you want, you can see in the URL that you can go get. And for role definition comes from this table, you can see based on the access level you need. So this you can use, and this is gonna help you. Thanks for watching this, guys.